Hi foodies, welcome to Quick Kettle Recipes episode number 4. Today let's whip up a comforting and healthy sweet corn with soup using my iBell Kettle. With all the veggies chopped and ready, let's turn on the kettle to get started. First add 2 teaspoons of olive oil, or you can use butter for a richer flavor. Once heated, saute a teaspoon of finely chopped garlic until its mild aroma fills the air. Next, add a tablespoon of chopped spring onion whites or regular onions if that's what you have. Saute for a few seconds before tossing in 2 tablespoons of finely chopped carrot and 2 green beans that's been finely chopped as well. Carrot is a powerhouse of vitamin A and green beans is definitely more rich in fiber. While cooking in a kettle, you may notice the red light turning off. This is just the cut-off mechanism to prevent overheating. Keep stirring and the light will come back on shortly. Now add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped cabbage and mix briefly. It's time for a star ingredient, sweet corn. I've taken about 30 to 40 kernels. Saute these for just 2 minutes until they release their sweet aroma. After that, pour in 3 cups of water. You could also use vegetable stock or chicken stock for added richness. Here's a handy tip. If you have leftover rice water, we call it as kanji thanni in Tamil. That works too. It's more healthier. Add salt to taste and let the soup come to a rolling boil. While it simmers, let's make a cornflour slurry to thicken the soup. Mix 1 heaped tablespoon of a cornflour with 1/4 cup of water. Mix it so well, ensuring there are no lumps. Once the soup reaches a rolling boil and the corn is so tender, stir in the slurry. Alternatively, you can blend 2 tablespoons of corn kernels into a paste for a natural thickener. Let it boil again until the soup turns thick and velvety. Here we go, the sweet corn with soup is ready. Let's transfer it to a soup bowl. And there you have it, a hearty, delicious sweet corn with soup made effortlessly in a kettle. Sprinkle in pepper for a spicy kick and garnish with chopped spring onion greens for a fresh, vibrant finish. Perfect for those chilly evenings or when you crave a warm homemade treat or just for your simple dinner. Enjoy your soup and stay tuned for more quick and easy kettle recipes. Meet you in another video. Bye.